Hello, my name is Sergeant Heward B. Harral, and I am the Junior Cadet Corps instructor here at Stripling Middle School. I have been an infantryman, I've been a psychological operations specialist, I have been a police officer for the city of Irving, both patrol and SWAT. I have been a sheriff's deputy for Tarrant County Sheriff's Office. I have been a teacher, and now I am a JCC instructor. I've been here for about 10 years. I went to the Citadel in Charleston, South Carolina, where I got a degree in secondary social science education. At that time, it was an all-male military school, and I ended up not taking a commission. I stayed enlisted. From there, went into corporate world doing training, instruction, design, development, and delivery. Ended up deployed a couple of times. My service was with 1st of the 118th Mech Infantry, 3rd of the 144th Mechanized Infantry, and 7th Psychological Operations Group, or 7th POG. While I was with the city of Irving, I did patrol and SWAT. I patrolled the south side of the city. And then from there, I went to the Basic Police Academy for the North Central Texas Council of Governments, where I was a coordinator teaching all of the certification classes that someone needs in order to become a peace officer. From the police academy, I went to Tarrant County Sheriff's Office, where I was a bailiff and was in the courts, keeping the courtroom safe and dealing with all the interesting stuff that went on there. And now I am here. So I was hired in 2010. I really love our campus. I love our students. I love our parents. We've got a fantastic culture here. I'm super excited about this year. I know it's going to be different, but it's going to be outstanding. So it's good to get to meet you guys and look forward to getting to know you better as the year continues.